I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use brake hold on your Honda HR-V. First, ensure your vehicle is on. The brake hold system is designed to automatically keep your car stopped after you come to a complete halt, even if you release the brake pedal. This is incredibly useful in heavy traffic or at long stoplights, providing a more relaxed driving experience. It's a simple feature that enhances comfort and convenience. To activate the brake hold system, simply locate the brake hold button, usually found near your gear selector or electronic parking brake. Press this button once. You'll see a green brake hold indicator light illuminate on your dashboard, confirming the system is now armed. It's important to remember that activating the system doesn't immediately engage the hold. It just makes it ready for use. Once activated, using brake hold is straightforward. When you come to a complete stop, such as at a traffic light, the system will automatically engage, holding your vehicle in place. You'll notice the brake hold indicator on your dashboard change from green to white, signifying it's actively holding the brakes. To release the hold and move forward, just press the accelerator pedal as you normally would. It's that simple. Here are a few important tips for using brake hold. The system will automatically disengage if you shift into park, reverse, or turn off the engine. Always remain attentive to your surroundings and be prepared to use the brake pedal manually if needed, as driver assist features are there to assist, not replace your full attention. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look for the link in the description below. It's a fantastic way to enjoy your favorite books on the go.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.